Mastering public speaking. Maintaining focus with notes and prompts. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our public speaking series. Today, we're diving into an incredibly important aspect of delivering effective presentations, maintaining focus and staying on track using notes and prompts. In public speaking, it's critical to deliver your message clearly and coherently, and that's where notes and prompts come in handy. Let's explore how to use these tools to their maximum potential. First off, let's discuss why notes and prompts are so important in public speaking. These tools help you stay on track, maintain the flow of your speech, and prevent you from forgetting any crucial points. They act as your roadmap, guiding you through your presentation and ensuring you hit all the important milestones along the way. In a nutshell, notes and prompts help keep your thoughts organized and your delivery smooth. Creating effective notes and prompts is a skill in itself. One key point to remember is that your notes should not be a word-for-word script. Instead, they should contain keywords, phrases, and cues to jog your memory. Keep them concise and easy to skim at a glance. Using bullet points, highlighting, or underlining can make your notes even more effective. Next up is how to use your notes and prompts during your speech. The best way to do this is to discreetly glance at them while maintaining eye contact with your audience as much as possible. A quick peek at your notes can help you smoothly transition from one point to another. However, remember not to read directly from your notes. Use them as a reference, not as a crutch. It's about balance. Your notes are there to support you, not to become a barrier between you and your audience. It's not enough just to have notes and prompts. You need to practice using them. Rehearse your speech multiple times, each time using your notes as you would in the real situation. This practice will make you more comfortable with your notes and will help you improve your glance-read-speak coordination. With enough practice, using your notes will become second nature, allowing you to maintain focus and stay on track effortlessly during your presentation. And that's a wrap on how to use notes and prompts to maintain focus and stay on track during your public speaking engagements. Remember, the goal of using notes and prompts is to enhance your presentation, not to rely on them entirely. With practice, you can strike the right balance and make your public speaking truly shine. Thank you for joining us in today's lesson. We hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, keep practicing and honing your public speaking skills.